Chatbots powered by AI aren't just customer service tools anymore. They're becoming the backbone of how businesses engage, automate, and monetize. Today, we'll walk through the best AI chatbot software solutions of 2025, how they differ, and how you should pick the right one for your business. 1. Why AI chatbots are a game-changer. AI chatbots are no longer simple question-and-answer bots. They're built using machine learning and natural language processing to have real conversations, understand user intent, and scale across thousands of users at once. Businesses investing in chatbot software can tap into new revenue models, improved customer engagement, and efficient automation. 2. What you should look for in top chatbot software. When evaluating chatbot software, focus on customization and ownership. Can you tailor the experience, own your data, and align branding? Unique bots versus generic. Deployment speed and model. Will you build from scratch, clone a proven model, or integrate via API? Target use cases. Is it for lead generation, support automation, social media, e-commerce, or niche markets? Platform and integration. Does it work on web, mobile, social channels, and integrate with your CRM or stack? Monetization and scaling. Does the platform support recurring revenue, multi-tenant use, or white label models for wider distribution? 3. Leading chatbot software solutions of 2025. Here are some of the standout AI chatbot software solutions mentioned as top picks. ChatGPT by OpenAI, a highly flexible chatbot that supports multiple uses, writing help, tutoring bots, automation tools. Spicychat.ai, a niche chatbot focusing on adult/roleplay style conversations with monetization built in. Drift, designed primarily for B2B websites, capturing leads, automating visitor conversations, scheduling calls. ManyChat, tailored for social platforms and e-commerce, bots on Instagram, WhatsApp, Messenger, selling and automating. Replika, a conversational bot for personal/emotional chats, roleplay, companionship, and alternative use case of chatbot software. Google Bard, or Bard bot focusing on real-time answers, web context, Q&A style interactions, ideal for apps or services that need info on demand. Intercom, a chatbot platform integrated in apps for onboarding, support, team communication, good for SaaS, fintech. Zoho Sales IQ bots, business dashboard bots for lead tracking, sales interface, ERP/CRM integration. Tidio, a chatbot focused on e-commerce stores, local service brands, customer chat, booking, upsell features. Muah AI, another niche bot in the adult/chat companion space, highlighting the breadth of markets chatbots can serve. Each of these offers a different niche, deployment model, and monetization path, showing how broad the chatbot software opportunity has become. 4. How to choose the right bot for your business. Here's how to pick the best one for you. Define your primary goal. Are you solving support queries, generating leads, selling products, or building user engagement? Know your audience and channel, web visitors, mobile users, social media followers. Different bots cater differently. Assess your budget and timeline. Some bots you can deploy fast and cheap, others require custom development and deeper integration. Plan your monetization or value add. Are you using the chatbot as a service, a tool, or a product offering? Consider scalability and ownership. Do you want a white label or full control? Will you expand to multiple clients or stay internal? Choosing the right chatbot software isn't just about features, it's about aligning with your business model and growth path. In summary, AI chatbot software is no longer optional technology. It's becoming a strategic tool across every industry. The right choice depends on your business goals, audience, budget, and the role the bot will play. If you found this useful, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Which type of chatbot are you interested in? Lead gen, support, e-commerce, or something niche? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.